Alright guys, I'll go ahead and fire it up here for you. Just a second. Kind of see a little oil that's been dripping while I've been washing it here. I was thinking maybe it's coming out of that little sensor right there, maybe this plate, but maybe not. It's a little cold. It's turned over 100,000, so I guess it'd be 107,548. Not bad running little engine. There is oil dripping out of that right there. The sensor, you can see it. Just now seen that. I don't know if maybe it's coming from somewhere else too, like that the pan seal, like you said, Dustin. I don't know how much you can see. I didn't see that that sensor leaking before. I'll pull it out of there. They put some Teflon on it, put it back in. Yeah, it's leaking right on the starter where I see it leaking from earlier. Hopefully that solves that. I wonder if you guys can tell me which engine this is exactly. It doesn't say on the glove box, and I'm not 100% sure. You guys can tell me that also as well. That'd be pretty awesome. Not a bad little truck.